It's Tuesday, Preps, and we've got some more taking away to do today, or some subtraction. I've got us a fantastic PowerPoint that's on the website if you want to have a look at it. But we'll have a look at a few slides ourselves. All right, come on in, Mrs. S. Let's have a look. Now this says, count how many bears are on the tray. Use the number line to take away the right amount and find out how many are left, which we did a little bit of yesterday. Now, let's play the game. This says, there are 6 bears in the game. Just look and you will see, if 3 bears leave the game, how many will there be? Now, we've got 6 bears. 6 bears on a plate. There they are. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's use the number line. Now, remember how we did this yesterday. We start on the larger number. Now, what was the larger number? It was number 6. So we go 6, and then we go back 3. So we go 1, 2, 3. So how many bears are left, Mrs. S?
It looks like 3.
It does, doesn't it? Now, I don't know how to type this in, Mrs. S, so I don't know if that...
Let's see.
Oh,
that gives you the answer.
well, it gives us the answer. It was 3. We'll maybe do one more and then we'll see what we've got set up in the classroom. Oh, there are 8 bears in the game. Just look and you will see. If 6 bears leave the game, how many will there be? All right. Let's have a go. So we've got 8. Yes, we've got 4 and 4. We can supertise that one too, or work that out and make sure you know there's 8. Let's use the number line. We've got 8. Maybe I'll press that button.
Maybe.
8. And we're taking away, how many was it? 6.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And we landed on
2. Let's press the check button.
and see if that works.
It did it for me. I should have done that
there
last
you
time,
go.
shouldn't I? 8, and then this is the symbol for takeaway or subtraction. 6 bears, and that equal signs, which you've learned in addition, leaves us with 2 bears.
Yes.
Now, we might leave that because we'll do a bit more of that during the week. But over here, Mrs. S, would you like to show what we've set up in the classroom?
Look at this.
Look at this. We've got bears on chairs.
Bears on chairs.
A whole lot of bears on chairs on the chair train. Now we've got, let's count the bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bears on chairs. If I take away 2 bears, here we go. How many bears on chairs do we have left?
Let's have a look.
Let's have a look. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bears on chairs.
Yes.
Now, let's write this down, and you'll do the same in your books at home. Let's write that down as a picture story or a number story. So let's write that down. So, how many chairs did I have, Mrs. Mrs. S?
6.
6. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chairs. And then I had 6 bears on chairs. There's 1 bear. There's 2 bears. Oh, I better put arms on these bears. They all had arms, didn't they? 3 bears. 4 bears. 5 bears. 6 bears. Now, in this one, it doesn't matter how well you draw the bears because we're learning about subtraction, so it doesn't really matter. So I've got 6 bears, so we can write 6 at the top. And then I took away 2 bears. Now, for this, you can just go... Okay, and you write it this way. 6 take away 2 bears. So how many bears do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. So we've got that left. Now we'll learn how to write it as a number sentence. We won't bother with it too much this week, but it's more about manipulating and using. And sometimes when you're drawing, it's hard to draw the takeaway unless you rub them out. So that's why we're practicing doing the crossing out. All right, Preps, I'd like you to, maybe you could do your own bear chair train or you could do a bear something else in a row, and you could practice your subtraction or your takeaway. But have a go in your maths books as well, like I did. And I did my chairs, then I drew on my bears, and then I crossed out the ones that I was taking away. And it's always the smaller number, isn't it, that you're taking away? So have some fun with this. You could maybe do 3 different sets of bears on chairs. And again, for a challenge, try some teen numbers. You could do 12 or 13 bears on chairs. All right, preps, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.